Happ Proxy Utility. Now, instead of needing different apps for every type of server, Happ provides multiple powerful protocols, as we're going to see. Okay, and also I'm going to discuss how you can use the app and the kind of the special features that you find within the Happ Proxy Utility app. All right. Now, for some of you who don't know about this app, Happ Proxy Utility is a network tool designed to help users manage and connect to custom proxy and VPN servers. Now, itself, it's not actually a VPN. Okay, don't confuse it as a VPN, as we're going to see. So it's important to understand a key distinction before using the app. App is strictly a utility client. It's not a VPN provider. It doesn't sell or provide VPN servers out of the box. You must acquire or set up your custom server configurations, often provided by an IT department, a purchase proxy service, or self-hosted servers to use the app. Okay, so it itself, it's not actually a VPN. Now we're going to see the special features and capabilities, right, within the app. And so Happ is highly regarded in the tech and cybersecurity community because it acts as an all-in-one client that supports a wide range of modern advanced proxy protocols. Okay, extensive protocol support, as I discussed, and this includes the VLS, that is the X-ray core, highly advanced protocols designed to mask proxy traffic as normal web traffic, making it excellent for bypassing strict firewalls. Okay, we're talking about powerful protocols, including Trojan, Shadow SOCKS, Stylia 2. Okay, yeah. Then another feature is the rule-based routing. You can configure proxy routing based on the specific rules. For example, you can set it up so that only specific apps or specific websites use the proxy, while local traffic bypasses it. It's kind of really cool, all right? Another feature that you can consider, which is in this app, is the hidden and encrypted subscriptions. If you subscribe to a proxy list, Happ allows you to hide and encrypt those subscription links, adding an extra layer of privacy to your configurations. Another thing is there's zero data correction. The developer states that app does not correct your network activity. All configurations and routing data remain strictly on your local device. That's really kind of cool to know. So how do you use the app? Okay, since you need to provide your own servers, the setup process involves importing your configurations into the app. Okay, step one, you have to obtain a proxy configuration. You need a configuration link, a QR code, or a subscription link from your proxy provider or your own self-hosted server. This usually look like a long string of text stating like, VLS, something like Trojan, link, something like that. Okay. 2, you can import the configuration into the app. Open the app like I've done. Then look for the plus sign, which is on the top right. Okay. Or an import, so you can use always this plus. Okay, so choose your import method. So when you click here, there is import. I usually click import from clipboard. If you copy the proxy link, okay, tap this to instantly paste and configure it into the server. You can do the scan QR code. If your provider gave you a QR code, you use your phone's camera to scan it directly into the app. You can also add a subscription. There's a subscription option here, subscription URL. If you have a subscription link that updates multiple servers at once, enter the URL so that the server can fetch your server list. Okay, once you have imported, your servers will appear in the list on the main dashboard. Okay, so for now, I don't have actually, I haven't really added them yet. So you tap on the server you want to use to select it, press the main connect / this button. So actually, this is the largest button here. Okay, and if it's your first time connecting, Android will pop to you with a connection request asking for permission to set up a VPN connection. You just have to say yes, okay, or allow, something like that. So once the app indicates it's connected, you usually see a key icon, a VPN icon in your phone's top status bar. You can open your web browser and search "what is my IP" to verify your traffic is now successfully routing through your custom proxy. Okay, I believe everyone can really search what's my IP address. So that's it, guys. We'll see you in the next video. If you're interested in videos like this, subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.